Today we're on the Punisher News Channel, and we're welcoming the notorious Rhett Mitchell.
Holy diver, you've been down too long in the midnight sea. Oh, what's becoming of me? Ride the tiger, you can see his stripes, but you know he's clean. Oh, don't you see what I mean? Gotta get away, holy diver.
Hello peeps, I'm here today with the sassy Southern Belle, who is a doctor about the doctor that will break your heart and operate on it. Rhett Mitchell.
Howdy, y'all. I'm Rhett Mitchell. Hide your kids, hide your wives in the bowel of the hospital. I don't know what I'm doing.
So Mr. Mitchell, why did you want to become a doctor?
Well, you see, because I wanted to pimp my trailer and my truck from 1972 that I named Bessie. I'm also a big fan of Kiss and their song Dr. Love, so I decided to flunk my way through medical school, and by Bessie's dear grace, here I am today.
Sounds like a heroic act for your dear old Bessie. I also understand that you're a photographer. What exactly do you photograph?
Well, you see, I photographed everything from my autographed Willie Nelson album that's in my mama's trailer to this, to that, to Lanky Luigi over there.
That's me. It's your boy, Lanky Luigi.
So, what's your favorite part of being a doctor?
Well, Bill, you see, I'm not actually a doctor. I just stole these scrubs like I stole your girl and your mom. Men want to be me, and women want to be with me.
We'll discuss this later, so what do you like to photograph?
Well, Bill, I'll show you. I like to photograph this, and this, and this, and this, and that over there, and this here, and that there, and oh, that too, that over there, Christ, that's bright. Here too, this too, oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, that over there too, man, I like to photograph everything. Come on, the picture, I might not have it on me, let's see. No, sadly I don't, but I also like to photograph my sexy truck, Bessie.
Well, I think that will wrap things up here today. Thank you, Mr. Wife Stealer. Your accent is rubbing off on me.
Thank you, Bill. I gotta go photograph some stuff. I'll see you at the wedding.